The Pyle Resophonic Guitar Set offers a comprehensive package, including a gig bag, spare strings, a shoulder strap, and picks, ideal for players who want to start immediately. This guitar features both acoustic and electric capabilities, with a built-in preamplifier that allows for detailed sound control during performances. Crafted from spruce and mahogany, the guitar showcases a high-gloss polished finish and dual sound holes, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and sound quality. It is well-suited for beginners as well as experienced musicians, providing a warm and vibrant acoustic experience right out of the box. The guitar boasts solid construction with a total length of 39.8 inches and a scale length of 24.8 inches, ensuring durability and playability. Pyle's attention to detail is evident in the use of quality materials like okoume for the headstock and walnut for the fretboard, contributing to its impressive performance.